Welcome to Auto Apex, your go-to channel for the latest car news and reviews. If you're a fan of high-performance luxury cars, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the 2025 McLaren GT, a masterpiece of engineering and design. The 2025 McLaren GT is the perfect blend of speed, comfort, and cutting-edge technology designed for grand touring. This car is all about delivering an exhilarating drive while ensuring maximum comfort on long journeys. Under the hood, the McLaren GT boasts a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering breathtaking acceleration. With a lightweight chassis and aerodynamic design, this car offers an unmatched driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing its limits on open roads, this car delivers exceptional performance with a smooth and controlled ride. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology. The high-quality materials, premium leather seats, and an advanced infotainment system make every ride a first-class experience. The spacious interior sets it apart from traditional supercars, giving drivers and passengers a comfortable and refined atmosphere. Even on long-distance trips, the panoramic glass roof adds to the premium feel, flooding the cabin with natural light and enhancing the driving experience. Now let's talk about the price. McLaren has positioned the GT as a more practical supercar, but that doesn't mean it comes cheap. With its high-end performance and luxurious features, the price tag reflects its exclusivity. The 2025 McLaren GT comes with a starting price that competes with other top-tier grand tourers, making it a dream car for enthusiasts who want a mix of speed and elegance. McLaren has also introduced new customization options for the GT, allowing buyers to choose from a range of exclusive colors and interior trims. The car's advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable ride even over rough roads, making it more versatile than a traditional supercar. The rear cargo space is surprisingly spacious for a high-performance vehicle, providing enough room for weekend getaways. The infotainment system features the latest software updates with improved connectivity and a premium sound system. The McLaren GT is designed to be driven every day without compromising on performance and style. That's a wrap for today. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 McLaren GT. Do you think it's worth the price tag? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Apex for more exciting car content. See you in the next video.